Now I'm going to show you how to thread the upper thread. So the same thread here, and you have to, let me show you, see if you can see it. There is a thread guide here, so your thread has to go from here, just like this, very easy. And remember, when you are threading, the presser foot has to be up. So come here, and there is a thread guide here. Actually, my thread guide here, the original one has been broken, so this one is sewing machine tech already replaced it for me. So don't worry if your machine has been broken here. Can be fixed easily by can just use some other things to just make a little hole, a circle. So hopefully you already see that. That's okay. Let me do it again, just in case. And I normally, when I take out the thread, I don't normally pull it out that way because it's against the tension disc direction. So I normally so let's spread again. So it comes from here and comes from here, from here, from here. Push it here and come down to here, come down there, and remember to go through the take up lever and go back in again, go back in here. And this machine actually is pretty nice that they have two thread guides here and the needle bar, and no matter what, if you're only using single needle, just one needle, it doesn't matter you go which way. I normally go left, but you can definitely go right as well. So when we are going to go through the needle, I normally push the presser foot down. I think that's easier for me to thread. That's how I feel. Uh-oh, can't get it through. So push it to the needle eye. And this machine, the needle is the flat side is facing that way, like most of the modern sewing machines do.